Hello and welcome to Aptitude. In today's video, we will learn how to solve problems on train. If you are attending interviews of companies like TCS, Wipro, Accenture, or you are appearing for any competitive exam, you can always expect 2 to 3 questions appearing from this topic. Make sure to watch the video till end so that you can learn some easy ways to solve these questions easily. Let's begin. Before starting with the actual questions, here's a small topic to be discussed, which is unit conversion. If you are given the speed in kilometer per hour and you have to convert it into meter per second, just multiply the given speed by 5 by 18. So suppose you have been given the speed as 54 kilometer per hour. We write it as 54 into 5 by 18 and the answer would be 15 meter per second. Second, if you are given the speed in meter per second and you have to convert it into kilometer per hour, multiply the given speed by 18 divided by 5. Suppose the given speed is 10 meter per second. We will write it as 10 into 18 by 5 and the answer would be 36 kilometer per hour. Let's start with type 1, in which you have been given a train and a stationary objects. The stationary objects can be like a pole, a tree, or a man, or it might be a signal. So the questions might be like, in what time will a train 100-meter long cross an electric pole if its speed be 144 kilometer per hour? So in such a case, we know that the formula for speed is equal to distance divided by time. Now the speed is given in kilometer per hour. We need to convert it into meter per second. So we write it as 144 and multiply it by 5 by 18. This is 18 ones are and 18 eights are. We get the speed as 40 meter per second. Now we have to find out the time. So we modify this formula as time is equal to distance divided by speed. The distance given is 100 meter, which we have to take the length of the train. The speed that we found out was 40 meter per second. Now we can cancel out the 0 and 10 by 4 is 2.5 seconds, which is your option A. The second example is a train running at the speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? We have been given the speed as 60 km per hour. Let's convert it into meter per second. So 60 into 5 by 80. So this is 6 tens are and 6 threes are. We get it as 50 by 3 meter per second. Do not convert this into decimal. You can keep it in fractions so that you can ease your calculations. Then the formula was speed is equal to distance upon time. We have to find the length of the train, which is nothing but the distance. So we write the formula as distance is equal to speed into time. The speed that we found out was 50 by 3 and the time is given as 9 seconds. So it is 3 threes are and we get the length as 150 meter, which is your option D. The second type, in which you have been given a train and the stationary object has certain length. The stationary object is like a platform, a bridge, a stationary train, or it can be even a tunnel. So the questions are like, find the time taken by a train 130 meter long traveling at 45 km per hour to cross a 154 meter long bridge. So in this case, for the distance, you have to add the length of your train and the length of the given stationary objects. So in the first question we have been given the speed as 45 km/h. Let's convert it into meter per second. So 45 into 5 by 18, it's 9 2s and 5s, we get it as 25 by 2 meter per second. Keep the values in fraction itself. Now we write the formula as speed is equal to length of the train plus length of the bridge divided by time. We have to find out the time, so we write the formula as time is equal to L plus B by S. The length of your train is given as 130 meter. Next we have to add the length of the bridge, which is 245 meter. And the speed that we found out was 25 by 2. So if we add this, we get it as 375 upon 25, and this 2 will go up and get multiplied. So it is 25 ones are, this is ones are, and 5s are. We get it as 15 into 2 as 30 seconds, which is your option B. Let's see another example from same type. A goods train running at speed of 72 km/h and crosses 250-meter long platform in 26 seconds. Find the length of the train. So we have been given the speed as 72 km/h. Convert it into meter per second. 72 into 5 by 18. It is 18 ones and 18 fours. We get 4 into 5 as 20 meter per second. The length of your platform is given as 250 meters and the time taken is given as 26 seconds. So the formula was speed is equal to length of train plus length of platform divided by time. We have to find this L, which is length of train. So the speed that we found out was 20 is equal to, let it be L, plus the length of platform is 250 meter, by 250 divided by the time is 26 seconds. This gets multiplied over here. It gets 520 is equal to L plus 250. Your L becomes 270 meter, which is option D. The third type that we are going to see is the combination of type 1 and type 2. The questions are like, a train 240 meter long passes a pole in 24 seconds. How long will it take to pass a platform 650 meter long? So the length of train is given as 240 meter. The length of platform is given as 650 meter. If you look at this part of question, a train 240 meter long passes a pole in 24 seconds. It appears from the type 1. So let the speed of train be S. So in first case, the speed will be written as distance upon time, which is nothing but 240 divided by 24. You get it as 10 meter per second. And for the second part, the length of platform is given as 650 meters. So we used to write it as speed is equal to length of train plus length of the platform divided by time. The length of train is 240, the platform is 650, and this time is unknown. We have to find it out. Now in both the cases we are talking about the same train, so its speed will remain the same. So we can equate these two values. So we can write it as 10 is equal to 240 plus 650 divided by t. So your t becomes 890 divided by 10, which is 89 seconds, which is your option B. Let's look at another example. A train speed passed a pole in 15 seconds and a platform in 25 seconds. If the platform is 100 meter long, then the length of train is. Now in this case, we don't know the length of train, so let it be L. The platform's length is given as 100 meter. Let the speed of train be s. So in first case, when it is crossing the pole, the speed is equal to distance upon time. We consider the distance as L, which is length of the train. So let this, the speed becomes L divided by 15. And the second, we write speed as length of train plus length of the platform divided by time. Again, we don't know the length of the train. The platform's length is 100 meter and the time given is 25 seconds. In both the cases, we are talking about same train, so we can equate these two speeds. We can write it as L by 15 is equal to L plus 100 divided by 25. It is 5 3s are 5 5s are. This gets cross multiplied. It becomes pi L is equal to 3L plus 300. So 2L is equal to 300 and L becomes your 150 meter, which is your option B. The next concept is about the relative speeds. We will be discussing it in the next video. I hope you understood the concept so far. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.